Hello, rail fans. It's me again. I told you I was expecting something else in the mail, and I got it. First of all, the whole first layout I built, and actually the third one I built, uh, I always use this old soldering iron I've had forever, since I was like a kid. And if you can see it, it's one of these old, you guys all know what these are. I'm sure you've got one yourselves. So, all my soldering joints are junk, pretty much. So this time I decided I'm going high tech. So I got my package in the mail, and here it is. It's got a digital display. Set the temperature, whatever you want. It's got the stuff for the tinning and the sponge, and I've never had one like this, so I'm really excited to start using it. So that was another thing for my layout, and pretty soon I'm gonna start building it. So I hope you all have a good evening. I know I am, and I will see you next time on Billy Joe's Train Brain. Thank you. Good night.